Hey everybody, it's Mark Evernden, Ever Real Estate, Century 21 Bamber. Here we are in beautiful Cochrane, Gleneagles again. Amazing properties here. I've been very fortunate to sell several here this year. You've got to come and check out this bungalow right on the ridge with over 3,000 square feet of living quarters. It's got 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, upstairs laundry, and views to die for. So let's go start our tour. As you enter the home, I love this design. As you look right through the house, amazing views. On the main level, you have a great office off to the right, a formal dining room off to the left, your laundry, garage entrances again off to the left here, and then basically a great room open concept. Love the 10-foot ceilings. But that being said though, the house is dated, so there is some huge opportunities here to make it your own. Love the skylights, again, bringing in all that natural light from the southwest position of this home with a triple-sided fireplace onto your beautiful living room, and then patio doors onto the deck, which can be used year-round because the views are just breathless. As you enter the primary, great size, 10-foot ceilings on the main level, which is fantastic as you age. Less stairs, gorgeous ensuite, again some updating, so it's an open canvas. As you come down to the lower level, great high ceilings again, lots of space, open concept. We have 3 bedrooms in the back area, lots of privacy. One of the bedrooms actually is more of a flex room. It can be used as a gym, it can be used as a sewing room, craft room, whatever you like. Out here they use this area as their gym instead of having a pool table, which was here when they purchased it. But this is how they live. You've got a full wet bar over here. You also have in-slab heating down here. So in the winters it's super warm and it's actually more efficient throughout the whole house. Views, again, endless. They're everywhere here in this house. You will absolutely love it. I love this back deck area. In fact, they've put a new roof on here and all new Dura decking. But this is great because you're completely covered. You can enjoy this when it's raining out like it is now, typical Calgary in the springtime. But these views are unbelievable. You truly have to see it. So do you want to see this property? Call me directly at 403-829-3776. I do look forward to your call.